Liquefaction of gases. We know this thing that from the previous topics that the gases can be liquefied if we just change the condition, and that condition is especially pressure and volume. Pressure, volume, and temperature. Okay, and most importantly, temperature and pressure. So, temperature and pressure are the basic thing that has the capability to control the state of matter. For example, if we just decrease the temperature, what happens? The kinetic energy of the molecule decreases. We know this thing that, and if we just apply pressure or increase pressure, we can liquefy it. But if we increase the temperature, the kinetic energy increase, and they start applying force on the walls of the container, and for that, the pressure will not work. The same pressure will not work. You have to increase it, right? So temperature and pressure, both both the things which are responsible for the existence of any state of matter or liquefaction of gases. So we just learned this thing by an example of CO2, liquefaction of CO2. We used to liquefy CO2 and mix with the liquids and form cold drinks, soda, cold drinks, the soda water, the cold drinks which you used to drink. In that, the gas which comes out when we open the cap of that bottle, that is CO2. So CO2 mix after liquefy in that cold. Okay, and this thing you used to observe that when we open the cap, that some gas come out of it, or you just leave that cold drink with open cap in exposure of sunlight, and then you will see its volume decrease because on getting sun heat, the temperature of that molecule in the cold drink increases, and they just leave that state and move to vapor state, and from vapor to then gases form. Okay, so the following figure shows the isotherm of carbon dioxide. We just plotted the isotherm. Isotherm means in there we have temperature constant, and what we are changing the pressure and volume. Okay, so it is noticed that at very high temperature the gas could not be able to liquefy. We know this thing that at high temperature, when the temperature is 50 degrees Celsius centigrade, we are not able to liquefy it because at that time the kinetic energy of the molecule present in that chamber is very high, so we will not be able to liquefy it. But when we just drop it down at 30 degrees Celsius, the carbon dioxide remain gas. 30.98 degrees Celsius and up to 73 is just remain as gas. But at 73, the atmospheric pressure liquid carbon dioxide appear in the first time. When 73 degree atmospheric pressure, the temperature comes down, it just start converting to liquid first. So the temperature 30.98 is known as the critical temperature. So 30.98 is known as the critical temperature, which is denoted by Tc of the carbon dioxide. And critical temperature is that temperature at which the gas start liquefying. It's not like at critical temperature the complete or entire gas converted to liquid. No, it is that temperature at which the gaseous form start converting into the liquid form. Okay, as we know this thing that the water exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Right. So if you are changing liquid into gas, so we know this thing in that 100 degrees the boiling point of 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of water. But it doesn't mean that at 100 degrees Celsius the entire water come into vapor state. No, it is that temperature at which the liquid state start converting to the solid state. And as we decrease the temperature, and we know that 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point of water. Okay? It doesn't mean that ice will form at 0 degrees Celsius. No. In hill stations, we used to feel that the temperature will goes to minus 6, 7, 8. But no sign of ice is there. No sign of snowfall is there. Right? The ice start forming means liquid start forming to the solid state, start converting to the ice at 0 degrees Celsius, not the entire water converted to ice. The ice will form in the freezer below minus 15, 16, 17, or you can say the standard temperature like 10. Below minus 10, the entire water or the entire your water will convert into ice. Okay, so critical temperatures are those temperatures at which the one state start converting into the second state, another state, whatever the state is. Okay, so this is the higher temperature at which the liquid carbon dioxide can be observed. We just see at this temperature that the carbon dioxide start converting into liquid at 30.98. Okay. And volume. So volume of one mole of gas at critical temperature is known as critical volume. Okay. So this volume at this critical temperature is critical volume, and the pressure which is applied at that temperature is known as the critical pressure, and this is denoted by PC. Okay. The critical temperature and pressure volume are known as the critical constants. Okay. So a gas below the critical temperature can be liquefied by applying the pressure is called the vapor of the state. Okay, so let's just we talk about the liquid state. Means when we liquefy the gas, what happens? The gas will convert into the liquid state. So we know this thing that there are some points where at what the liquid state exists. So what happened? The first is vapor pressure. The vapor pressure at the stage where the equilibrium is established between the liquid phase and vapor phase is known as equilibrium vapor pressure or standard vapor pressure. We know this thing that what are vapors? Vapors are the means when the water start boiling is the convert into vapor, means there is gas along with the water molecules. When the water molecules are mixed with the gas and come to the gaseous state, that is known as vapor form. Okay, and that is equilibrium is known as the equilibrium vapor pressure. So at temperature at which the vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to the external pressure is called as the boiling temperature. Okay, at that pressure, and 1 atm pressure, boiling temperature is known as boiling point. Okay, when one pressure is 1 atm and the liquid state start boiling. Okay, and that is known as the normal point. If pressure is 1 bar, then the boiling point is standard boiling point. Standard means we are standardized the situation. We know this thing: standard temperature, pressure, standard boiling point. Standard means in which we are just changing the environment of that reaction. Here we are fixing the pressure 1 bar. It means the standard pressure is there. So that is why this is known as standard boiling point, right? So the temperature when the density of the liquid and vapors becomes the same, then the boundary between the liquid and the vapor disappears, and that temperature is known as the critical temperature. Got it? So let's just discuss about the liquid state. Why? What is liquid state? So in liquid state, we know this thing that the intermolecular force is there between the molecules. Where, but in gases we don't have any intermolecular force existing between the molecules. Okay, so there is the intermolecular forces that make the liquid state stronger than the gaseous state. Okay, so properties of liquid: molecules of liquid are so close then that there is very little empty space that exists between the molecules. Okay, means the bond is there but it is weak as compared to the gases. Okay, and the molecules of the liquid are held together by the attractive intermolecular forces. So liquid have definite volume, and because molecules do not separate with each other, we know that liquid had definite volume, they have intermolecular space, and what happened? Liquid has tendency to flow. Okay, that is why they takes the shape of that container in which they are filled. Okay, and vapor pressure of a liquid at any temperature may be defined as the pressure exerted by the vapor present above the liquid in equilibrium with the liquid at the temperature. This thing we have just learned. So we have learned so many things about the liquid and the vapor pressure. So just don't be confused between the normal boiling point and the standard things. Okay. So boiling point or the normal things are like normal condition at normal temperature and pressure, and standard things are like at standard temperature and pressure. Okay.